Welcome. Today we are looking at nutrition in animals. This is a key topic in your biology exams for SS1. Pay close attention. Let us begin. First, let me explain what nutrition in animals is. Animals are heterotrophic. They cannot make their own food. They must obtain food from other organisms. Nutrition is the process by which animals take in and use food. Food provides energy and materials for growth, repair, and maintenance. Animals have different modes of nutrition. They are classified based on what they eat. Herbivores eat plants, carnivores eat other animals, omnivores eat both plants and animals. Parasites live on or inside other organisms. They obtain nutrients from their host. Saprophytes feed on dead and decaying matter. Understanding nutrition in animals is essential for understanding biology. Now, let me explain the modes of nutrition. The first mode is holozoic nutrition. Holozoic nutrition involves the ingestion of solid food. The food is digested and absorbed. It is then assimilated into the body. Examples include humans, dogs, and cows. The second mode is saprophytic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition involves feeding on dead and decaying matter. The organism secretes enzymes. The enzymes break down the food. The nutrients are absorbed. Examples include fungi and some bacteria. The third mode is parasitic nutrition. Parasitic nutrition involves living on or inside another organism. The parasite obtains nutrients from the host. The host is harmed. Examples include tapeworms, lice, and ticks. The fourth mode is symbiotic nutrition. Symbiotic nutrition involves two organisms living together. Both benefit. Examples include nitrogen-fixing bacteria in the roots of legumes. The bacteria provide nitrogen. The plant provides carbohydrates. Now, let me explain the human digestive system. The human digestive system is a tube that runs from the mouth to the anus. It is called the alimentary canal. It is about 9 meters long. It includes the mouth, pharynx, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, rectum, and anus. There are also accessory organs. These include the salivary glands, liver, gallbladder, and pancreas. They produce digestive juices. They help in digestion. The digestive system breaks down food into small molecules. These molecules are absorbed into the blood. They are transported to cells. The cells use them for energy and growth. Now, let me explain the process of digestion. Digestion begins in the mouth. The teeth chew the food. This is mechanical digestion. The salivary glands produce saliva. Saliva contains amylase. Amylase breaks down starch into maltose. The tongue helps to form a bolus. The bolus is swallowed. It passes down the esophagus. The esophagus uses peristalsis. Peristalsis is a wave of muscle contractions. It pushes the food down. The food enters the stomach. The stomach produces gastric juice. Gastric juice contains hydrochloric acid and pepsin. Pepsin breaks down proteins into peptides. Hydrochloric acid kills bacteria. It also provides the acidic environment for pepsin. The food is churned. It becomes chyme. The chyme enters the small intestine. The small intestine is the main site of digestion. It is about 6 meters long. It has 3 parts: the duodenum, jejunum, and ileum. The duodenum receives bile from the liver and pancreatic juice from the pancreas. Bile emulsifies fats. Pancreatic juice contains enzymes. It contains amylase, lipase, and protease. Amylase breaks down starch. Lipase breaks down fats. Protease breaks down proteins. The enzymes complete the digestion. The food is broken down into simple molecules: glucose, amino acids, fatty acids, and glycerol. These molecules are absorbed in the ileum. The ileum has villi. Villi increase the surface area. They absorb nutrients into the blood. The nutrients are transported to the cells. The cells use them for energy and growth. The large intestine absorbs water and minerals. It also houses bacteria. The bacteria produce vitamins. The undigested material is passed to the rectum. It is stored as feces. It is eliminated through the anus. This is digestion. The process of digestion is essential for life. Without digestion, animals could not obtain nutrients. Now let me explain the functions of the parts of the digestive system. The mouth chews and mixes food. The salivary glands produce saliva. The pharynx connects the mouth and esophagus. The esophagus transports food to the stomach. The stomach stores and churns food. It also produces gastric juice. The small intestine digests and absorbs food. The liver produces bile. The gallbladder stores bile. The pancreas produces pancreatic juice. The large intestine absorbs water and minerals. The rectum stores feces. The anus eliminates feces. Each part has a specific function. They work together to digest food. Now let me explain the types of teeth. Humans have 4 types of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Incisors are at the front. They are used for cutting. Canines are next to the incisors. They are used for tearing. Premolars are behind the canines. They are used for crushing and grinding. Molars are at the back. They are used for grinding. Humans have 32 teeth. There are 8 incisors, 4 canines, 8 premolars, and 12 molars. The teeth are adapted to the diet. Herbivores have flat molars for grinding. Carnivores have sharp canines for tearing. Omnivores have both. The teeth are important for mechanical digestion. Now, let me explain the importance of enzymes in digestion. Enzymes are biological catalysts. They speed up chemical reactions. They are not consumed in the reaction. They are specific to their substrate. Amylase breaks down starch. Pepsin breaks down proteins. Trypsin breaks down proteins. Lipase breaks down fats. Maltase breaks down maltose. Sucrase breaks down sucrose. Lactase breaks down lactose. Enzymes are produced by the salivary glands, stomach, pancreas, and small intestine. They are essential for digestion. Without enzymes, digestion would be too slow. Nutrients would not be absorbed. Now, let me explain the absorption of nutrients. Nutrients are absorbed in the small intestine. The small intestine has villi. Villi are finger-like projections. They increase the surface area. They are covered with microvilli. Microvilli increase the surface area further. The villi contain blood capillaries and lacteals. Glucose and amino acids are absorbed into the blood capillaries. Fatty acids and glycerol are absorbed into the lacteals. The lacteals are part of the lymphatic system. The nutrients are transported to the cells. The cells use them for energy and growth. Absorption is essential for nutrition. Now, let me explain the role of the liver and pancreas. The liver produces bile. Bile is stored in the gallbladder. Bile emulsifies fats. It breaks them into small droplets. This increases the surface area for lipase. The liver also detoxifies harmful substances. It stores glycogen. It produces urea. The pancreas produces pancreatic juice. Pancreatic juice contains enzymes: amylase, lipase, and protease. It also contains sodium bicarbonate. Sodium bicarbonate neutralizes stomach acid. The liver and pancreas are essential for digestion. They help to break down food and absorb nutrients. A common exam question asks you to explain the process of digestion in humans. Here is a sample answer. Digestion begins in the mouth. The teeth chew the food. Saliva contains amylase. It breaks down starch. The food passes to the stomach. Gastric juice contains pepsin. It breaks down proteins. The food passes to the small intestine. Bile and pancreatic juice complete digestion. The nutrients are absorbed in the small intestine. Water is absorbed in the large intestine. Faces are eliminated. Another exam question asks you to distinguish between mechanical and chemical digestion. Here is your answer. Mechanical digestion involves physical breakdown. It includes chewing and churning. Chemical digestion involves chemical breakdown. It involves enzymes. Mechanical digestion increases the surface area. Chemical digestion breaks down molecules. Both are necessary for digestion. Another exam question asks you to explain the role of enzymes in digestion. Here is your answer. Enzymes are biological catalysts. They speed up digestion. They are specific to their substrate. Amylase breaks down starch. Pepsin breaks down proteins. Lipase breaks down fats. Enzymes are produced by the salivary glands, stomach, pancreas, and small intestine. They are essential for digestion. Let me give you a quick summary. Animals are heterotrophic. They obtain food from other organisms. Holozoic nutrition involves ingestion of solid food. Saprophytic nutrition involves feeding on dead matter. Parasitic nutrition involves living on a host. The human digestive system includes the mouth, esophagus, stomach, small intestine, large intestine, and accessory organs. Digestion involves mechanical and chemical processes. Enzymes break down food into simple molecules. Nutrients are absorbed in the small intestine. Practice these concepts. When you have them down, move to topic 10.